Here two fair coins are tossed 10 times. Probability that last two tosses are both heads. Here first coin tossed, second coin tossed. We no need to care about the first 8 tosses because last 2 tosses means no need to care about the first 8 tosses. We care about the 9th and 10th tosses. So total outcomes are first 9th and 10th. First tile, second head, first head, second tile, both are tiles, both are heads. Total outcomes are 4. Favorable outcomes. Last two toss both heads. Here both heads means favorable outcome is 1. So probability P of E is equals to favorable outcomes by total outcomes, which equals to 1/4.